am so glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you another one of my chili recipes. This is one of my quickest recipes and it's a very kind of mellow type of chili, but every now and then that's the kind of chili I want to make. And it's really quick if you've already got chopped onions in the freezer and chopped peppers in the freezer. To start with, lightly spray your skillet. You could do a dry fry on this. Put your vegetables in. There's 3/4 cup of chopped peppers. Those were in my freezer. 3/4 cup chopped onions. These were out of my freezer. And just saute those a little bit. And I'm not adding any fresh garlic. The garlic flavor is in the mixed beans. Okay, time to salt and pepper the vegetables to taste. I'm actually going to put about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt in and probably 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. This is about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Stir that up. On the side there you may see I'm making some garlic toast. Now I'm putting in what would be like tomato paste. It's something I make homemade. Stir that all around. Adding my tomatoes. 2 cups of tomatoes with their juice. Stirring that all around. Remember the bay leaf, that's really important. I'm adding those beans that have the sauce. These beans are really important, so you want mixed chili beans with sauce. And last, I'm adding some kidney beans. You could add black beans or pinto beans as well. Now I'm going to bring this up to a boil and I will let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes and it will be ready to eat. Okay, it's come up to a boil. I'm going to give it a stir and then I'll simmer it. Since it's boiling so hard, I'll probably just simmer it another 10 minutes and serve it up. Here you go. In under 30 minutes, you've got a delicious chili and I'm serving it with some garlic toast. Thanks for stopping by. I'll give you a little taste test online. You can see how hot it is. I like the tomato taste, the bean taste, and that this is so mellow. You of course could add some hot stuff to it, but there are times I just want a really mellow bowl of chili. With the garlic toast, dip it in. It's just perfect. Perfect for this fall. Thanks for stopping by and please come back next week for another fun recipe.